औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How do you do? Hopeful that you will be fine. Okay. Now we are going to start our work. Let's open English workbook grade 1. Open page number 62. Open page number 62. The topic is all about me. All about me. All about me means who I am. All about me means who I am, or you will tell about yourself. All about myself. All about me means all about myself. मेरी ज़ात. Okay. First of all, name. You will mention your name. What is your name? You will mention here your name. Age. How old are you? You will mention age. Next is my appearance. My appearance means my physical look. Means कि मैं कैसी दिखता हूँ, कैसा दिखता हूँ या कैसी दिखती हूँ. My appearance means my physical look. First is hair color. Means what is the color of my hair. Color of eyes means what is the color of my eyes. Color of skin means what is the color of my skin. Next, my picture. In this box you will paste your own picture. अपनी तस्वीर लगानी है. In this box you will paste your own picture. Next, my favorite. My favorite sport, food, subject, animal. Means in these lines you will mention what is your favorite sport, what is your favorite food, what is your favorite subject, and what is your favorite animal. In the next box, here my favorite clothes, toy, color. Means in these lines you will mention what are my favorite clothes, what are my favorite toy, and what is the favorite of my color. Means what is my favorite color. In the next box, qualities. Qualities means खूबियाँ या guts. यानी कि हमारे अंदर कौन सी खूबियाँ हैं. You will mention in these lines your qualities. Like I like to obey my parents. I like to speak the truth. Means you will mention in these lines all those qualities which you have. In this box, I don't like means वो चीज़ें आपने लिखनी है जो आप नापसंद करते हैं. For example, I don't like to tell a lie, or those things which you don't like, you will mention in this box. At home. It is activity for home. Tell about something you can do by yourself that you could not do when you were a baby. Means in this activity you will tell that what are those things which you can do by yourself. या आप इस जो एक्टिविटी में बताएंगे कि आप अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, वो तमाम चीज़ें जो आप उस टाइम नहीं कर सकते थे जब आप बेबी थे. ओके. It is activity for home and help your child to write those things which they can do by yourself. Okay. Have a nice day. Khuda Hafiz.